It's amazing how many people still fail their hazard perception test. Just this week we had 5 calls, people inquiring how to pass the hazard perception test without clicking the button too early and potentially sort of not feeling that you're in the sort of road situation. It's kind of people relax a bit too much apparently. When they sit in the office, they sort of don't take situations as seriously as they would if they're in the motor vehicle. In the last video, we've got the simulators from South Australia and Western Australia. So this is slightly better version because there's a few more exercises here. And that's the Victorian hazard perception test, the simulator test. The link will be here in the description. Here I'll run you through a couple of situations. I've passed it amongst 10 experienced drivers who all basically failed. And I've got an extremely large screen here, which is 43-inch monitor. This particular one, you are driving straight ahead. You might need to slow down, click to play, and then click to take action, okay? So in this particular one, most people that did it actually failed because they act too late. I'll do it first time, I'll do it wrong because the situation is that, as you're driving, there's a woman that's waving to her friend just now. It would have been fail, okay? So clearly, it expects you to click the button as soon as she waves her hand, and she didn't even start to cross the street. So, so I'll play it again. So that's number 5 video in Victorian HPT simulator test. So, okay, so let me play it again to see about now. She's waving her hand, so now I need to hit the button. And even now I reacted too close apparently. That was plenty of time. And like I said, 10 out of 10 experienced drivers, every single one of them failed. In my opinion, this particular one was designed by somebody who knows the graphics and computers well, but not really. I wouldn't bet that the driving is their best skill, to be honest. So, okay, so I'll try it once more, okay? So, see, I should click it now as soon as she raises a hand. I'll play it once more. So if I miss to do it right now, so even if I click now, it's going to be too late. See that, so this isn't correct, okay? And this is what everyone had said. So let's move to the other ones, okay? So number 9, okay? So we'll play that one. So you're driving straight ahead, you might need to slow down. Click to play and then click to take action. Okay, so you need to slow down when you need to. There's a kangaroo up there, so I've just, so there's a kangaroo on the left-hand side at the distance which you can see. So what's this one? You've stopped at an intersection, you want to turn right. So it's a motorbike here, but look, it doesn't matter. Imagine it's a normal car, okay? So let's assume this is just a normal car. Still can't turn, so I'm supposed to turn when it's safe to do so. Still not a good opportunities, light's still green, cars are still coming. So I didn't hit the button and that was correct. Okay, so if you refresh this button, it's going to give you a different set of questions, okay? You're driving on a country road, you might need to slow down, click to play and then click to take an action. Basically when the road bends, I'm assuming this one it is, I could see the bend up there, so doing 69 k's, which you can't change. So okay, so let me play it once more. Okay, so see, as soon as you see the bend coming up, this is when you hit the button, okay? I think it might be even too late. Yeah, so this is even too late, which I personally don't believe it should be. I suppose they're exaggerating a little bit. If people are inexperienced, it doesn't mean that they, obviously need them to be sort of overreactive, and this can't really feel totally like in the real car. So let's close this one. I'm going to refresh it. Which ones we didn't play? I'm pretty sure we didn't play number 6. Yeah, so you're driving on a country road, you may overtake if it's safe and legal, click to play and then click to take action. So let me see, okay? So I can't, because I can't see anything. I can't see anything yet. I can't see anything yet. Can't see anything yet. See, there's a car. Shouldn't have done it. Now I can do it, okay? Yeah, so I waited until I can see the whole road basically come, the opposite direction. And obviously if I attempted to do it earlier, the red car would have been coming, my way, okay? So which one did we not try? I believe, was it number 8 then, just then? No, okay, this one's at 9, okay. So you're driving straight ahead, you might need to slow down, click to play and then click to take action. So let me see what this one is. Okay, there's something, there's something, I don't know what it was, but I saw something moving up there. Let's do it again. So I'm not sure what it was. If something was moving up there, it might be a railway crossing. Yeah, I think so. See, there's a train. So yeah, that's why. So obviously, in this instance, it would have been way too late. Number 7. Let's see what this one is. No, we didn't do this one. Yeah, okay, I've got a pretty good memory still. You're driving straight ahead. You might need to slow down. Click to play and then click to take action. So let's see this one here. There's nothing so far, nothing so far, nothing so far, nothing so far. Okay. I think the bus is slowing down, but I did it too early because I did notice I was getting closer. So let me see. See, this will be considered as a mistake, but obviously I could tell that the bus is slowing down. So basically, it's hard to tell when you should slow down. I mean, because you can't gauge how much are you slowing down. Okay, so that's one of the aspects as well. So let's try it again. Okay, so see, the bus is going now it's going fairly fast, and I'm at the same distance. Okay, so now distance decreasing. So I've got to do it now. So I waited until kind of last moment there, really. I mean, it's arguable whether I should have done it slightly sooner or not, because I could tell that the distance was decreasing. Now, Western Australian, I mean, they're pretty stingy, and people are complaining, why can't they put some more? There's only 4. Out of, 30. So let's play this one. Okay. So let me see. So I've got to click that green button when I believe. This is a similar one like the one with the bike, and it might even be the same scenario from my memory, but the only thing, so it was the same scenario, but there's no bike. It's a car this time. So good work. Remember, do not attempt to turn until you're positive there's no oncoming traffic, okay, because there was not enough space and time there. Okay, so you're approaching an intersection. You might need to slow down. Press the play button to commence the test. Press the slow down button when you feel it's correct to do so. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so let's see this one. I think there's pedestrian. I'll play it again. This time I won't hit it, so just to see whether there was a person crossing the street there who stopped now, and it's going to be wrong this time, okay? So keep your eyes open there. Okay. There's a kangaroo up there, so I'll play it once more, just to show you. So obviously there's a roo jumping in front of you. Just give it a good sort of workout. Imagine that you're in the car, not in the office, and really, we don't understand why they don't put out more practice tests, and in fact, no one will tell you exactly, what is the criteria, whether you can pass if you did the 70% right or 75, or which questions or which scenarios carry more points and which don't. It's like playing footy, and they say, well, you've got to play well, but we won't tell you how. How do you expect to pass if they don't really provide a sufficient amount of information? What carries certain points, and what's the criteria, and particularly we just simply don't understand why do they release some more. We hope that this short video will help you pass your HPT test next time you go, or if you're going for it first time. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.